So we're here at the final yarn store in the Charlotte area yarn crawl. This is the second day. Well, not the second day in the crawl, but the second day that I'm making my outing for the last store in my area. And today we are at Tangle's Knitting on Main Street in Waxhaw, North Carolina. And yes, it is raining. It is a horrible day. And here she comes. Good morning. It is now Wednesday morning. It is about 6:30 in the morning. It is super early. It is super stormy outside, so I'm filming in a different location. Just a quick video to finish up the Charlotte area yarn crawl. As you will see in a minute, Carrie and I did meet again, and we went to the last store, Tangles on Main in Waxhaw, North Carolina, and then we had lunch. Had a good afternoon. So what I got from Tangles is they was giving away like a little goodie bag to their customers. So this is their logo with their information if you ever in the area and you'd like to stop and by and visit them. And then they gave this bottle of sanitizer with this little hooky thing, you know, that can go on your project bag. It's all got their logo on it. Gave away a little ink pen with the whatchamadoodle on the bottom, you know, so you can move your mouse. I can never seem to get these to work because of I have Apple products. I guess I don't know if they work on Android or not, but they don't seem to work on Apple. And then this little like memo pad type deal. So while I was there, I did, again, just picked up a few little things. I couldn't resist. Y'all know I love to collect pigs and cows and chickens. It's a little pig tape measure. Yeah, I know. I'm such a dork. I know. I get it. But I love it, so I had to get it. And then I picked up this. Now this is Indulgence 6-ply. It's really pretty. It is color number 9. It is 150 grams, 410 yards, 55% merino wool, 25% nylon, 20% silk. Ooh. Needle suggestion is a US 3 to a 6. Doesn't say what weight it is. It's definitely a little thicker, I think, than fingering weight. Maybe a score weight. I don't know. I'm not sure. It doesn't really say what it is on here. But nonetheless, it will be some kind of socks. Kind of reminded me and Carrie of Hocus Pocus. So that's what I picked up. I didn't do any filming or pictures on the inside. It wasn't really busy, but there were a lot of people around knitting and crocheting and just a lot of movement back and forth, so I didn't want to interrupt what was going on in the store. So yeah, that's just a short little video to finish up the yarn crawl. Today is Wednesday, so there are still 2 days left. It goes through the 25th. Maybe they're doing it all the way through Saturday. I don't know. It's through the 25th. So if you're in the area, you still got a few more days to get to those stores. And if you've already went to the stores, you got a few more days to go back. So anyway, I'm going to run. I need to go take my medicine. My allergies, I don't know if you can hear it, is really horrible right now. So until next time, guys, happy crocheting, happy knitting, happy looming. Bye.